Every motorist and trucker knows the fear: a rear-end collision, the moment when a routine drive turns into a life-changing disaster. Yet many of these crashes can be avoided with the right warning at the right time. IMAMS, the Intelligent Motorist Alert Messaging System, is redefining how semi-trucks communicate with the drivers around them. It delivers real-time, high-visibility alerts designed for both human motorists and autonomous vehicles, turning the back of the truck into an intelligent safety messenger. Mounted high on the rear of semi-cabs and trailer doors, this low-profile, 2-inch deep by 6-inch high by 30-inch wide digital LED sign displays clear, dynamic messages when it matters most. Whether the truck is disabled, stopping hard, making a wide turn, or backing up, IMAMS gives following drivers instant, simple instructions that help them slow down, change lanes, and stay safe. Today, Federal Rule 49 CFR 392.22 still expects drivers to walk out and place warning triangles on the roadway, a manual, risky process that becomes nearly impossible in a driverless future. IMAMS directly addresses that gap with an integrated, automated, connected warning system that meets the intent of existing safety regulations while opening a pathway for electronic roadside alerts in driver-out autonomous operations. IMAMS is not just a safety device. It is also a revenue-generating digital display. Between general operations and critical alerts, the system can show simple, brand-safe advertising that provides motorists with advanced information on points of interest through simple, non-distracting advertisements for fuel, food, lodging, and emergency services. This enables drivers to plan exits and stops more safely and efficiently, while generating a consistent passive revenue stream for the system owner through advertiser partnerships. Powered by advanced 4G connectivity, GPS tracking, and integrated environmental sensors, IMAMS keeps local authorities connected with real-time road conditions. This intelligent system helps issue severe weather alerts instantly and broadcast Amber Alerts to thousands of trucks traveling America's highways, making every mile safer and more informed in the search for missing children. There has always been a better way to protect drivers, freight, and families on the road. Now it has a name: IMAMS, the next step in intelligent truck safety. A true guardian to motorist and public safety.